in the brain, for example, there is no insulin for the use of glucose. Insulin has a completely different role in the brain. In fact, it has multiple different brain functions. Most important of which is literally to clean the connections. So it is responsible for the many connections between neurons for the communication, very specifically in the memory centers. So we're talking about if your memory fails for whatever reason, long term as you get older, it is most likely because you have insulin resistance in the brain, which in the brain means that there's nothing that is there to clean these connections and to maintain them.
Yeah.
And so you're losing your memory because insulin cannot get into your brain. So insulin has to have a pass through the blood-brain barrier, just like anything else. And when the insulin transport system breaks down as a result of insulin resistance, then the insulin can no longer get into the brain. In fact, there is a study which I was just looking for the other day because I'm about to present in South Africa on very similar lines
Hmm.
on the World Nutrition Summit, is that there was this one experiment with people where they sprayed insulin into the nose to get the quickest access. And these were Alzheimer's patients. And for the period of time while the insulin was actually active in the brain through this nasal spray, they recovered some of the memory.
That's fascinating.
And so it was a fascinating article, a research article. And because it was on people, not on animals. So it was really interesting to see how important it is. But it also showed that it's not that the brain can't use the insulin, it's that the insulin can't get in there. So
Yeah.
that's the prime problem with having insulin resistance in the brain. And so it has a lot to do with memory. It has a lot to do with clearing the brain. And it also brings up often to me a question whether all these amyloid plaques and the tau and
Yeah.